Let's start it. These are the video footage I'm going to use. Let's drag these into timeline. Go to Windows and click Essential Graphics. Click on the Edit and create a new rectangular shape. Increase the rectangular size until it covers the screen. I am going to change the color of the shape. Let's go for black. Now create a new text layer. Type the word which you want to make for text mask. I am going to type sports. Change the text font as you like. Increase the size of text layer and align into the center. Now click on the text layer and go to Effects Control. Under Opacity, set the blend mode into multiply. Boom. Now you can see that our upper layer clip appeared under the text. Now we need to mask 6 clips for 6 letters. So let's mask first clip for first letter. Select the clip and adjust the size and position to fit on your first letter. Now click the pen tool and mask the first letter of your word. Repeat the same thing for every letter. I will just speed up the video now to make it quick. So our masking process finished. Now let's watch a preview. Okay, now let's sync the title with the music beats. Now click on the text layer and go to Effects Control. Expand the text effect option. And let's find the first beat of our music. Now click on the source text keyframe. And delete the text. Move one frame and type your first letter. Do the same steps for every letters. I will just speed up the video now to make it quick. That's it. Everything is done. Let's watch the final output now. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to comment below the tutorials you needed. Peace.